Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp. The first thing to do is to launch your WhatsApp application. First, I am going to show you how to send a message to someone on WhatsApp. For example, this person. I am going to send a message to this person. So I am going to say, hello, how are you? And then send. Now let's just say I am the receiver also of that message. So I can see this person's message right now. Now, what if I am going to send a message to this person, but then again, I realized that I wanted to delete my message to him or her? For example, now if you were the receiver of this message and you found out that the message was deleted, I'm pretty sure that you would be bothered about this. So now I'm going to show you how to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp. Go to your Google Play Store and type NOTISAVE. Install the application, and once done, click Open. Now all you have to do here is to just click Next, Next, and Allow. Click Next again and scroll down, look for NOTISAVE, and make sure that you turn it on. Click NOTISAVE application again, click Next, Next. Then once you're here, go to Block Notifications. You can block all applications except WhatsApp. Scroll down and look for WhatsApp. Make sure that you turned off block notifications. So this one, turn it on, turn it on, turn it on, turn it on, turn it on. And then for WhatsApp, all you have to do is to turn it off. As simple as that. Now let's try if this one works. Go to your WhatsApp application again. Let's just say, for example, I'm going to send you a message. Hello, how are you? And then send. Now I just realized that I want to delete this one because I don't want to send you a message. So long press and click delete. Click delete for everyone. Now, when you open your WhatsApp application, you can see here that this message was deleted. So all you have to do now is to exit the application and go to NOTISAVE and check if your message was recovered. So here it is. Your message was recovered, and thanks to NOTISAVE, you can now read the deleted messages. Thank you for watching and see you again.